Bruce here, Murphy, North Carolina. October 25th, 2024. Previously on 24. Okay, I think by now you know my addiction with Gunbroker and eBay. I admit it, but I can quit at any time. Yeah. I'm not buying firearms as much, but reloading supplies, little stuff. Because my Social Security hadn't gone up that much, and it's not getting any better. So now I'm just entertaining myself reloading armor piercing, and I'm now just branching into spotter rounds. Originated World War II. Germans had them, Russians had them. I forget if we got them. Anyway, the spotter rounds had a little explosive charge in them. You'd shoot, it hit something solid, and send up a tiny explosion and a big puff of smoke. For the spotters, see where you're hitting. The snipers got a hold of these, and they loved them. They put one in the head, well, you get the idea. Trying to keep it gentle for our channel. Speaking of which, if you see any of my cooking videos, please watch. Those haven't been demonetized. I'm trying to branch out, catch all the angles, because you never know which way the wind blows. Anyway, today we're starting an opening series. Now, I'm just finishing up the armor piercing series, which you got to see. I'm down to the last video on that, which is the 300 Win Mag, going through the various armor, and the general recap. I'm going to do a little recap here momentarily. But today's package I'm opening came off a Gunbroker. Now, I'm not going to put any prices. I'm really not here to advertise for people. It's how it comes is how it comes. This package is how it was shipped to me. It has not been opened. You will see it real time, well, real video time, as I open it. Now this one came from Special Fred. Notice the spelling there. If you didn't catch the spelling, rewind, you'll get it. Okay. Now, Special Fred, he actually knew I was going to do this. So he sent me a few extra goodies in there. So, bear in mind it's not his normal package. Okay, let's do a brief recap here. Takes a minute for my eyes to adjust from that bright sunlight into the shade. There we go. Now, this is 3/8 AR-500, or an air facsimile. And this is what I started off the armor piercing series with. Here, you'll see everything made it through, except one down here, which was a light load. 7.62 by 5.4 art light load. Then back up here, I did a heavy load, or regular load, 52 grains of BLC2. The 308 made it through. That was 42 grains of BLC2. So, all those made it through. Then it was time to up the ante. So there was no need to do the 30-06. That was a foregone conclusion. So that was 3/8. And then, boom, ba-dum, boom, stepped it up to 1/2 inch. Forgive me here. There we go, now I can see it. Trust me, folks, I'm going to get the cataracts taken care of. Here, 308 regular Jacketed bullet, nothing. 308 armor piercing. It left the insert in there. Did nothing. 308 armor piercing again. Nothing. Then the 54R armor piercing. Nothing. Now the insert was stuck here also. But after getting whacked by the 300 Win Mag, that plate went flying. Stuff went flying. Here's the 30-06 World War II original load, which was lighter load for the M1 Garand, so it didn't bend the op rod. So it's not maxed out load. It's 2,700, give or take, whatever. Anyway, nothing pierced this half-inch AR, or faux AR, except when it came to the 300 Win Mag. Loaded up with that M2 AP. And yeah, folks, that put the hole right through it. And took out a nice divot. Sheared it. Same on the back. So that kind of catches us up to the saga of the armor piercing. Now, for the great moment, let's open this puppy up. Alright, where are we? There we are. Let's zoom out. If we get anything important, we'll zoom back in. This is more just to see a what's what. If needs be, we'll do particulars later. Once again, this is from Special Fred, P-H-R-E-D, Fred. Gunbroker. Open it up. Alright, what do we got here? Oh, cleaning. Body pillow. Interesting. Dupree Navy. Here we go. Wow, that's a heavy one. Now for these, I'm trying to remember what I ordered. Argentine spotter rounds. Forget what it was. I'll have to go back and review that auction. Let's see what else he sent here. Ooh. And he's sending me back black tip. Black tip, a little corroded. But we can pull those. Cool. Yeah, we got to pull those. That's corroded. Now Fred's got a bunch of other auctions. Old ammo, cool stuff. Hard to find. And what we got here? Ooh. Silver tip. That's looking cool. And different color tip. Ooh. In the 308. Cool. Oh, that would have been in the first one. Black tip. Wow. Thank you, Fred. Man, you loaded me up. Thank you. Now, I should tell everybody when I order I'm doing this, but I won't, just so we get a fair representation of what they are sending. Now, yes, that looks similar to a 30-06 M2AP US round, but this is the foreign round, and this is a spotter round, and quite a few of them. That feels about 100. I ordered 50. He doubled me up. Thank you again. But once again, I'm not going to tell everybody in the future what I'm doing, so I don't get an unfair advantage. Ugh. And I'm not sure what this is. Wow. I'll have to look it up. He sent me an email. Well, anyway, that is an opening to start off the opening series. Thanks for hanging around. I'm going to have a good time. I'm going to resize some of these. They're 765, 160 some. Well, I'll weigh them. Oh, this is going to be fun. Stay tuned for that series when we start sending up puffs of smoke. Oh, and don't forget the 300 Win Mag coming up. Well, been fun. And until later, drink more shine and eat more bacon. And as always in 2024, be awesome. And hope that siren's not coming for you. See you on the next one.